Creating a GetResponse account is a straightforward process that enables you to access their suite of online marketing tools. Follow these steps to get started. Visit the GetResponse website, navigate to the GetResponse sign-up page, initiate the sign-up process, click on the Start for Free button to begin. Provide your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to, as it will be used for account verification and communication. Set up your account. Create a strong password for your account. Fill in your first and last name. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the appropriate box. Activate your account. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from GetResponse. Click on the Activate My Account button within the email to verify your address. Complete your profile. Upon activation, you'll be prompted to provide additional details, such as your company name, address, and phone number. These details are necessary for compliance and will appear in the footer of your emails. Explore GetResponse features. Once your profile is complete, you can start exploring GetResponse's features, including email marketing, landing pages, and marketing automation.